who can pursue actuarial science in today's world. So let's talk about you need mathematics or not. So yes, you need mathematics in your plus 2, which is class 11 and 12 level. Students who have taken applied mathematics or standard mathematics, doesn't matter, any type of mathematics, you just have to know basic integration and differentiation. Trigonometry is not there in actuarial science, it's not needed. However, we see nowadays that there are some non-math students who did not take up mathematics in class 11 and 12 are also pursuing actuarial science, although they have to invest like 2-3 months of time initially, 1 or 2 months of time to prepare the basic level of integration, differentiation, and limits, and some other topics. And these are freely available nowadays. Even we provide with these basic courses along with our main course. So that's not very difficult in today's world. However, if you have mathematics at plus 2 level, then it will definitely give you a advantage. Any undergrad course student, so it is not necessary or restricted only to commerce. Any science students, BSc students, BA students also can pursue actuarial science. You have to have the interest in the subject. You have to have interest in mathematics, basic level statistics, economics. These are three main pillars, I can say. And if these things interest you, then definitely you can pursue actuarial science, no matter whatever undergrad course you are pursuing. It doesn't, because I have students who are from BITS Pilani, I have students who are doing engineering, commerce, BSc economics, even students who have done law. Some of the students are pursuing actuarial science, so it's not only restricted to that. Any masters students who are pursuing MBA in finance, MBA in marketing as well, and any other master courses like masters in economics or statistics. Any student who is also doing masters can also start actuarial science if they want to, again provided you have interest in that subject. Because the subject is very interesting. You have 13 papers which are very different from each other. You learn wide range of topics, so it's not only limited to commerce students. We have lot of students from different domains who come in and who pursue actuarial science. So if you want to pursue actuarial science, if you are having certain doubts, you can mention in the comments below. We'll get back to you. Thank you so much. All the best.